If you are an employer and you want to transfer employees from Turkey to the United Kingdom, there are several steps you will need to take. Here is a general overview of the process. Determine whether your employees are eligible to work in the UK. This may involve obtaining a visa or other documentation. Obtain the necessary visas and work permits. If your employees need visas or work permits to work in the UK, you will need to apply for these on their behalf. Organize accommodation and transportation. You will need to arrange for your employees to have somewhere to live and a way to get to work in the UK. Familiarize your employees with UK laws and regulations. Provide support and assistance to your employees. It is important to note that the process for transferring employees from Turkey to the UK can be complex, and you may need to seek the assistance of a lawyer or immigration specialist to ensure that all of the necessary steps are taken and that everything is done in accordance with the law. Thanks for watching.